When considering the short-term future of the insurance sector, you cannot get away from the implications of Solvency II, a revised European capital regime. For Solvency II, the use test was supposed to ensure that the information generated by Solvency II calculations fed back into bigger conversations around strategy, pricing and product mix. I don't believe that the basis for these conversations is yet in place. This is partly due to the fact that many insurers don't actually have the systems in place to facilitate that information loop. In terms of the wider landscape, we should continue to see global players looking for new markets. Unsurprisingly, Asia, Latin America and Africa will all feature, but so too will Central and Eastern Europe, all markets where current GDP rates are seen as sufficient to support growth. Asia is particularly interesting to the big-name insurers, as Asian consumers typically gravitate towards large, globally recognised brands in all their product purchases. Even more enticingly, in the hitherto untapped Asian market, every new sale is to a completely new customer, meaning that businesses aren't simply competing to swap customers between themselves. I think that one potential blot on the horizon, however, is the way in which the policies are sold. That raises concerns over the potential for mis-selling and all the attendant fallout that comes with that, and it's likely to be an area that will require further attention in the future. I believe we're going to see the issue of climate change rising at board agendas in the not too distant future. Insurers will need to rethink their risk models in the light of the growing likelihood of disaster incidents related to climate change. The question of who foots the bill, insurer or government, is a tricky one and really needs resolution. Actually, I've yet to see this issue being given consideration in transactions involving emerging markets, where of course the development of an insurer's exposure to climate change related events is likely to be more significant. However, I do expect this topic to be given far more airtime in the future.